BigH.com.
No, yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to the Universal Anonymous episode. In today's video, I just want to inspire you with this question. Why is it that Davido will not stop increasing his car fleet except he gets this 2021 Lamboghini Aventado? This video will give you a glimpse of what the Lamborghini has to offer. Before you watch the video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, because you will not want to miss future update from Universal Anonymous episode channel. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button now. Watch and inspire yourself. Sometimes, if you want to be great and to become a billionaire in life, you need to watch and inspire yourself. You need to watch what the great people and billionaires are doing. I think this will inspire you to do your best. Don't stop after watching. After watching what they are doing, get inspired and go back to work. Work hard and be great. Enjoy the video.
You are my holy one. I love you, my baby girl. Yeah. You and I. No, you're waiting to talk. No, you're waiting to see. Hey. Oh yeah, get some money. Yeah. Oh yeah, get some money. Yeah. Oh yeah, get some money. Get some money. Get some money. Yeah. Oh yeah, get some money. Yeah. Oh yeah, get some money. Yeah. Go tell your mama, say that you love me. And still can't say so. Yeah. I'ma get load you again. I don't want you to far away. I love you, baby. I love you.
Since the countach, the engine is put in a longitudinal way in the back of the car, so the cabin moves forward, and so this is the typical layout of the modern supersport. And then for the first time with the countach, we had the scissor doors, and from then onwards, all our cars, all our V12 cars, are made with scissor doors. So this is, in a nutshell, why we are doing it. Then the name, the full name of this car is Lamborghini Countach LPI 800 and -4.
Okay folks, let me show you how I get down. Spending cash like we don't even give a fuck. Check it, I met the girl of my heart. She's the reason why I'm falling apart. Love is twisted, I'm freak hard cause it's twisted. One look at her, then I felt wasted. Ha, yo, she's got a pretty face and a cute ass that really suits my taste. Right now, yo, I'm trying to blend in. I keep smiling, coffee so tempting. I'm going gaga, beats color mental. Feeling so great, you're one mental. Baby, you're the one that I love, the one that I want, and the one I adore. Come on, baby, so why you trying to front? That cute ass, baby, try to back it up.
The love trolley make me go ginger. Probably my passion or everything song and I'm everything wrong. I love the way you smile. I love you so damn, my baby girl. I wanna make you my wife. I wanna sing song and I'm smile. Oh yeah, get some money. Oh yeah, get some money. Oh yeah, get some money. Get some money. Oh yeah, get some money.
Beats by BigH.com.
No.
Yeah.
I go by the name of County. Lamboghini, Yellow Mamba, Tagament, Scandal. The journey's over, no more going back. Baby, come closer. Let's talk to the fight.
Universal Production.
Our love is so tight. You see, we are lovers. Oh, let's talk to the you're the one that you want to go and move, fellow come. You want to go and move, Fishire. You want to go and move, fella, like me. You want to come, hey. Oh, yeah, get some money, hey. Oh yeah, get some money, hey. Oh yeah, get some money, hey, nah. Oh yeah, go tell your mama say you love. Tell your papa say you love. Oh Oh yeah, busy mommy, yeah, busy mommy, yeah, busy mommy, yeah. Oh yeah, you the only one I love now. First time I saw you like a first sight. I love the way you twist, I love the way you whine, oh baby, make me go ding down and sing song. I love the things that you do to me.